Hey guys, today let's learn how to put an action button on your Facebook page. So if you guys want to go ahead and add an action button over on your Facebook page, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. All right, you guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. I would like you guys to proceed as well to your preferred Facebook pages. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and log on to my preferred Facebook page over here, if I can just locate that. Or I could also go ahead and log on to my other account and basically use the Facebook page that is on there. So in this case, we could actually now go ahead and use the Facebook page over here, which is this one. I prefer to use this one, as you see. And what we need to do next from here is to go on over in our menus, and what I want you guys to basically go ahead and proceed to is, of course, the option to add an action button on your page. So you can actually go ahead and do that and see if it is actually available to you here. Let's try to tap on our three dots over here and see if we have that action button, and we actually do. So as you see right here over on our page settings, we have this option called the Add Action button. And all we need to do to add our action button is to just tap on that option, and we can actually now choose a specific action, of course, for that button. As you see over on this description, you can have one or two buttons shown on your page to help people contact, support, or link to your website or app. In this case, I could edit my buttons over here, and I already have the message enabled. I could also have send WhatsApp, call, email, or contact us, and a lot of different options as well. But in this case, I think I would like to have a call option, or maybe a send WhatsApp option. So you can actually go ahead and have that, but you do need to go ahead and connect your WhatsApp first before doing so. And well, that's basically it for me. I think the message one will be enough. So once that is already done, basically we now have this option to proceed with adding this action button. And now the action button is basically added on our page over here. So once we actually view this as a public, you should see the action button located on your page right here. So as you see, we could actually go ahead and proceed to add an action button if we want to, but the option to basically do that should be located over in our page settings. So just tap on Add Action Button, Edit Action Buttons, and Add Action Buttons through here, and just tap on the Save option. Now, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.